Even if you don't believe so, have you ever doubted your appearance, particularly as you've gotten older? It's natural to feel that time has affected your appearance, but you may be more attractive than you think. In today's video, I will reveal the signs that you're an attractive older man so you can feel more comfortable about how you're perceived. 1. Younger women look comfortable around you. If you notice that younger women engage in polite conversation, laugh at your jokes, or look like they hang around you, it's a clear sign that they consider you charming. If women feel comfortable with a man, particularly a confident and mature man, they naturally gravitate toward him. Instead of being flashy or loud, your confidence and relaxed presence make you desirable. 2. You get compliments on your style or grooming. If others compliment your clothing, hair, or perhaps how you smell, it's a sign that you're attractive. Many older men have their own style, and ladies admire a man who's put consideration into his appearance. Whether you like traditional tailored clothes or you've perfected the casual but elegant look, your style speaks volumes about you. The attention to grooming and detail you put in cannot be ignored. 3. Women give you lingering looks. If a woman's eyes linger on you for a moment longer than normal, it is a sign they consider you attractive. Women, specifically younger ones, may not always be direct, but a lingering stare can be a hint. In the gym, restaurant, or while walking, if you see them looking and then looking away, take it as a compliment. 4. You are usually asked for advice or assistance. Particularly ladies would often approach good-looking older guys for advice or assistance. Whether it's a casual question about directions, anything work-related, or perhaps general life advice, it indicates they perceive you as approachable, competent, and charming. Your experience and expertise make you desirable in a manner that younger men absolutely cannot match, and people value your presence in their everyday lives. 5. You have a confident, relaxed presence. One of the most attractive traits in a mature man is his capacity to be comfortable in his own skin. Younger guys may rely on arrogance, but an attractive older man emanates quiet confidence. If other people gravitate toward you or feel comfortable around you, it's an indication that your appearance is enhanced by your calm, confident personality. Women admire men who don't have to prove anything. They are just themselves. 6. You receive subtle compliments about your physical fitness. A man does not need to look like a bodybuilder to be handsome, but if you're fit, energetic, and take care of yourself, women will notice. If you receive compliments like, "You look strong," or "I wish I were in that shape at your age," it's an obvious sign that other people admire your appearance. Being fit does not just reflect in your body, it shows in the way you move around, carry yourself, and the vitality you bring. 7. Women laugh at your jokes, including the cheesy ones. Humor is one of the most attractive attributes in a man, and if women usually laugh at your jokes, it's generally a telling sign they are attracted to you. Even though your humor is a bit dad joke level, they'll appreciate it since they consider it captivating. Women value the confidence that comes with a man who's not afraid to be himself, and when they're laughing with you, they are truly enjoying your presence. 8. You notice subtle flirting gestures directed at you. When a woman is attracted to an older guy, she could flirt in subtle ways. She will brush her hair back, imitate your posture, or unintentionally touch your arm during conversation. Such signals are often subtle, yet they're a significant indication that women consider you charming. Women of all ages use body language to express attraction, and if you're noticing these subtle signals, it's because you're giving off a captivating vibe.